Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use Excel for employee scheduling in just 3 minutes. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So now I will guide you through the basic steps to use Excel for employee scheduling. So here's how. Now, what you're going to do is open up Excel in your computer. Now, as you can see here, there are a lot of templates readily available for you. Now, for this tutorial, we're going to have this employee schedule. So, let's find a template. So, what you're gonna do is press here, more templates, and let's just search for schedule. Now, you will have here the various option for schedule. So here, there's employee absence schedule, daily schedule. So what we're going to use is this one, this simple one. The employee shift schedule. Or here, weekly employee shift schedule. So here, you can plan your company's work schedule, and with this accessible employee shift schedule, which covers 8-hour shifts for 6 employees across 7 days. These can assign jobs, responsibilities with this shift scheduling template, and the total hours per day are automatically calculated within the employee shift template. So let's create this one. And here, you can just change whatever you want. And here for the title. And as you can see, here's the employee name. And you can then change that on your own. And here's the title of the job description. And here you can change the date. And here is the total number of hours. So as you can see here, it's on Monday schedule and for the next day until the end of the week. So you can just choose other templates if you want to change the template for this weekly schedule. So that's just how easy how it's done. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it down in the comment section below. And make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!